Now I'm gonna share my screen. So can you see my screen?
Yeah, I could see it.
Yeah. So this is how your Moodle platform looks like when you log into your Moodle account. So this is the interface which you can see, right?
Yeah.
So here you can see all the awarding bodies. So you're doing ATHE level 3 health and social care, right?
Yeah.
So in the ATHE, this is your course. It says level 3 HSC 2024.
Level 3 HSC 2024.
Yeah, that's your course,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
This is how you can organize your Moodle. So at first you can see the general part, which will give you the explanation regarding your course, which will give you some
Yeah, I've seen it.
explanation on your mood, on your assignments, maybe the plagiarism and malpractice
Yeah,
policy,
that's where I was.
yeah, and the
That's where
guidelines
I
on your
am now.
assignment. Okay, so
Yeah.
for example, if you're gonna work on your first unit, if you go to first unit, you can see some presentations which explains all the LOs like LO1, LO2. LO1 means learning outcome 1, right?
Okay.
And here are some previous recorded sessions which
Yeah, I've
maybe you
watched
can
some
go
of
through.
it.
All right. Okay. So just give me a moment. So this is the unit specification of the unit 1, right? So these are the questions which you are required to attempt in your assignment.
For the
Okay.
unit 1.
Yes, for the unit 1. Just give me a moment
Oh,
and just a
hang on
moment.
a minute. Okay.
Yeah, so here you can see the assignment brief for unit 1. Okay. So you have to go through to the assignment brief and
Okay.
just read the requirement of this particular unit, that what this unit require. So for example,
Okay.
you have the understanding of this part. Now you're gonna jump on task 1, right? So task 1, it says that you need to prepare a set of slides for a presentation. It means that task 1 requires a presentation which you need to submit in PowerPoint, right? And the
Okay.
other tasks, task 2, 3, they are in a Word document. So which software are you using, like Microsoft, or which one are you going to use to do your
This is
assignments?
the Microsoft.
Okay, so in the Microsoft you can use the Microsoft PowerPoint and then Microsoft Word to do your assignments, right? So PowerPoint
Okay.
presentation is not the requirement in all the unit, right? If you want, I
So
can give you a
PowerPoint,
summary.
no, okay,
It's not the
like the first
requirement.
one.
Sorry.
It's not the requirement. The past one that you told me. Said I'm going to
No.
present.
Yeah, it is required in unit 1, but it is not
Okay.
required in all the units. So for all the units, basically you just have to go through to the assignment briefs, and assignment brief will clearly tell you that what this assignment requirement is, right? So unit
Okay.
1, 3, and unit 5, they requires presentation. Unit 2 and unit 4 doesn't require the presentation. Okay.
How many units did I have to attend before for their whole assignment assessment?
So there are 6 units in total, but I would suggest to do one by one. For example, if you are doing unit 1 right now, just do your assignment, like prepare the PowerPoint presentation for the task 1, and then other task 2 and 3 should be in the Word document, task 2, 3, and 4, right? And then submit your assignment. Your tutor will gonna give you the feedback on your unit 1. If it is fine,
Okay.
then you jump on unit 2. If you are not meeting the criteria, then you have to look for a resubmission of the assignment, right?
So the question is this: how do you get the assignment under unit 1? For the assignments, unit 1 assignment, is it the sample?
There is a sample assignment on the Moodle. Just a moment.
So if I click on that sample, will I get the
Yeah,
assignment?
Yeah, so this is the sample assignment for the unit one, which you can go through. That
Yeah,
this
that's
is
what
how,
I'm asking. The
yeah.
question I'm asking is, how do you go get to where you see the assessments?
All right. Okay. So there's a email where you have to submit your assignments. I'm gonna write an email to you. Just give me a moment. I'm gonna give you that email. And if you are attending the sessions, then your tutor gonna give you the same brief to work on your assignment. But if you are doing your self-study, like if you are not attending the sessions, then you can definitely get your assignment brief on the Moodle, because everything is there on Moodle. So you don't have to wait for your tutor to give you the assignment brief,
Yeah,
right?
what the question I'm asking is,
Yeah.
you move to that where you found the assignment, assessment, the task under what? That's what I'm asking. Now from general, if I go to general, I'll see the unit one. Now I'm on that unit. So for for any
Okay.
assignment or work related,
Okay. So can you see these parts on your Moodle, right?
yeah,
If you go to unit one, scroll a bit down,
okay,
and it will say the assignment brief.
okay, the assignment brief. Oh, okay,
Yeah. So assignment brief will clearly tell you the requirements of this particular unit, right?
okay,
So this is what you need to follow to do your assignment. But
okay,
but this is the just a moment. This is the unit specification of this particular unit, right? So you have to follow the assignment brief and you need to attempt all these questions. All these questions are mentioned in the assignment brief as well. But this is the clearly labeled questions, right? So you can just take a question from here and you can write this question clearly on in your assignment. So it can clearly label your answers, right? So it will be easier for your tutor to indicate the particular question and the answer. Now,
all right,
if you are aiming for the pass grade, then you have to attempt all these questions. Okay, all
all
this,
right,
all these questions. If you are aiming for a higher grade, which is merit or distinction, this is merit and this is distinction, then you are required to attempt these questions as well. If you are aiming for distinction, then you cannot skip any question, right? You need to attempt all questions. Is that okay?
right, yeah.
Yeah. And the word counts, it should be more than
The total word count is
2500.
how many?
Sorry.
The total word count for it is how many?
Yeah, so the word count, ATHE's assignment brief, it doesn't clearly tell you the word count, right? So all your assignments should be more than 2500 words. If you are aiming for
2,500.
higher grade, which is distinction, then you are attempting all the questions, right? So it should be higher than,
Everything should be around 3,000, 4,000
yes, yes, yes,
for the
three
whole
to four
assignment.
for all the units.
Okay.
Is it okay? Now, just a quick thing. So this document in the general area, this document, it says Declaration of Originality Form, right?
Yeah.
Just a moment. So the Declaration of Originality Form, which you need to fill up for with your all your assignment submissions. This is how it looks like. So here you have to put your name, student number, course name, assignment name, which is the unit name which you are working on it. You have to tick all these boxes and you have to sign the document, right? So if you are, for example, if you are submitting your unit one, then for unit one you are required to submit task one as a PowerPoint presentation, task two, three, and four in the Word document, and this declaration of originality document. Is that
So let
okay?
me ask you a question before you
Yeah.
go. Can I
Yeah.
just ask this question? Maybe I'm on the right path. For the
Mm-hmm.
assessment, the first one is present notes on health and social care UK. Is that the
Sorry.
assessment?
Sorry.
Hello, hello. Can you listen to me? For
Yeah.
the question, Is it the for the unit one is presents notes on the health and social care? Is
Okay,
that
for the unit
because
one.
I've not because for the task I'm not even
Okay, so this is the unit one. Explain the aims of health and social care provision. That's the question one. And task
okay.
one should be in a PowerPoint presentation, right? So in the PowerPoint presentation, you are required to. Should I show you one example of one of the learner? Then maybe it will be more easier for you to understand.
Yes,
Just a
please.
moment. So this is how you have to do the presentation. These are the slides, right?
Okay. Oh, it's just a slide.
Yes, you have to do the slides. And here in the notes, you have to put the speaker notes as well. In the notes, you need to put the speaker notes as well. So if your slides are not detailed, like you can just put the key points into your slides, but you have to explain
Okay.
those into speaker notes. Is
Okay.
that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me just give you
There's no.
a short summary which you can save. So I have sent you a message that these units require presentations. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's give you a
So
quick.
now,
Yeah.
for now, the assessment for this unit, the task for this unit is just three or two.
Basically, there are 4 tasks in total. Unit one, you need to
In total.
do in the PowerPoint presentation, and other 3 tasks should be in a Word document. Is that okay?
Yeah. I'm okay, but I'm struggling to see the assignment very well.
Okay. Now let me show you again. So this is the unit one.
It's
Can
on
you
my
see that?
system, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
So
unit one.
if you scroll a bit down, just down
Okay.
here, you can see 2 PDFs, and on the top of that, you can see 2 videos,
Yeah.
and on the top of that, it says assignment brief. That's for the unit one.
Where did you find that? Wait, hang on 1 minute.
Yeah. So in the
So under
end of
that,
the unit one, if you have to scroll a bit down, I think
at the end of the unit one, is it?
this is
I'll
unit
first
one.
click on unit one.
Unit one, structure and overview of health and social care.
Yeah. So I will scroll down.
Yeah, scroll it down until you can see the
Okay.
name of unit two, right?
Yeah, I've seen
Yeah,
the name of the
yeah,
unit two.
yeah. Now on the top of that, can you see 2 PDFs?
Yeah, I've seen the
Okay.
two.
On
Yeah.
the top of that, can you see 2 videos?
Yeah, I've
Yeah,
seen that. I
and
could see that.
yeah, and on the top of that, you can see assignment brief.
It's not on my system.
No, can you share your screen then?
Okay, I've seen the assignments. HSCS
Yeah,
assignment.
HSC
Yeah.
L3 Unit 1
Then
V1.
okay, so it's the three that I will click on.
Yeah,
Okay.
if you just click on, then it
Oh
will
yeah,
show like this. Yeah.
yeah. I've seen
So
it.
this is the document which you have to find in all your units. It says assignment brief. It will titled as assignment brief. That
Okay.
document will
The task
clearly
one
tell
is
you.
prepare. You need to prepare a set slide for presentation, which explain the structure of the health and social sector
Yeah.
in a country of your choice. Okay.
Let me just quickly show you an example of one of the learner, any of the learner
So
actually.
for now, I have to do the task one first before moving to the second one. Is it?
Sorry.
Now I have to do the task one before moving to the second one.
Yeah, unit
Is
one.
it?
Yeah, it will be easier for you to do it in order. But make
All
sure
right.
that you do all your tasks in one document only.
In one document.
You cannot submit task by task,
Separate it.
right?
Okay.
So the presentation should be only in a different document, which will be in a PowerPoint, but the other tasks should be in a Word document.
Now, what
And
I'm saying now, the total task for this course is four. Is it?
sorry,
The total task for this course for the course is four.
for the unit actually, unit one.
For the unit one.
Yeah. So this is unit one.
Oh,
You can see that task one is here,
task
task
one,
two,
task two, task three,
task three,
then
and
task
task
three,
four,
task four. So that's for
right?
unit one.
Yep. And for the unit
So I
two,
have to
once you
do
finish,
everything
so yeah, you have to. That should be more than 2,500 words. Okay. And once you finish
for the
unit one,
four.
you can then, yeah, you can then go through to the unit two, right? Again, in the unit two, you are required to find the assignment brief,
Okay.
which is, it is here, assignment brief. It says assignment brief, right?
All right.
So assignment brief is the document which will clearly tell you what you are required to do in your assignment,
Okay. Okay.
right?
All right. Yeah. Thank you.
And make sure that you will only submit the Word documents. We do not accept
One
PDF.
document. The
Yeah,
PDF.
we do
Okay.
not accept the PDF. So you have to make sure that, yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. While working on your assignments, if you have any questions or any queries, just drop us a quick message in the WhatsApp, and I'll be able to help you out from there.
All right. Is that your WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Can I save it?
Yeah, you can save the number which you have. I've texted you.
All right. Thank you so much.
No worries. Any questions for me?
No, that's all for now. Thank you so much.
Okay, no worries. Thank you for your time. Have a good
Thank
day.
you. Bye.
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.